back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation that is absolutely going to blow your mind. That's right, within less than 1 day, we came in, we put in this beautiful 250 square feet custom retaining wall brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we came in and we gave this customer the ultimate landscape transformation by bringing in this beautiful decorative gravel and then accenting it with this beautiful retaining wall, all to complement this existing concrete slab and basketball goal. And what it did is it gave this customer the opportunity to utilize this space in a way that they've never done before. And that's by being able to get the most out of it, by not having that water coming in from the neighbor's yard, not having that water coming in from the other neighbor's yard, but by being able to have an area that is going to be isolated, and it provides an additional seating for you to be able to accommodate friends and family during a basketball game. And so that was our entire design. That was the entire design that I came up with, one that would have allowed for us to be able to utilize this space with the decorative gravel to be able to suck up all that water that would have been able to be present where there was decorative gravel, but then also be able to come up with a retaining wall installation that would allow for you to be able to just sit down if you wanted to and watch the basketball game. And so these are just some of the ways in which we come up with outdoor landscape transformations that absolutely solve our customers' landscape problems, and they give them the ultimate outdoor landscape transformation, exactly what we've been able to do today. It's what we do each and every day, and it's the reason why we become the highest rated landscaping companies around.